Hello everyone, and let us complete the problem which we leave in the last video due to the time. So we will solve our C and D part. Already we have found del phi. Del phi is 5i bar plus 4j bar plus 3k bar. Now here C part is towards the point. Whenever I use the word towards the point means I must have at least one point in my hand. So I am just fixed at one point and towards the point I have to find. So my first point which is in my hand is the point which I have used to find del phi. It is 1, 2, 3. And my second point is now 2 minus 1, 3. So my question is towards the point. Towards the point. Which one? 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3 point. Right? So I must have first point in my hand. So I have my A point which I have used to find del phi. It is 1, 2, 3. And towards the point means point B, 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. Now this is the vector AB. So I can find vector AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. That is I call simply B bar minus A bar. So here 2 minus 1, here 2 minus 1 into I bar plus minus 1 minus 2 J bar plus 3 minus 3 K bar. So our answer is I bar minus 3 J bar plus 0 K bar. Getting the vector, we called it as A bar. Now mod of A bar, as soon as we get A bar, we have to find mod of A bar so that I can find A cap. So mod of A bar is under root of 1 plus 9 plus 0. So our answer is root 10. Correct? So A cap is equal to A bar upon mod of A bar is equal to I bar minus 3 J bar plus 0 K bar upon root 10. Now find directional derivative. dd is equal to del phi at point xyz, that is 5i bar plus 4j bar plus 3k bar, right, dot with I bar minus 3j bar plus 0 k bar upon root 10. Right? Have you remember our first equation? 5 del phi is equal to 5i bar plus 4j bar plus 3k bar. I have used here. Right? Now do the calculation. 5 into 1 plus 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into 0 upon root 10. Do your calculation and complete your answer. So 4 into minus 3, it is minus 12, this is 0 and 5. Minus 12 plus 5, so it is minus 7 upon root 10. There may be error in the calculation, you check carefully and just avoid the calculation error. Okay. Now the fourth and very important point, along the direction parallel to the line. Whenever the question is on the line, you have to concentrate on DRS of line. DRS or sometime DCS, but we focus on DRS of line. So along the direction normal to the line. So this question we have to solve. Along the direction normal to the line, one line is given and just around that part, 2 in bracket x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to 3 in bracket z plus 1. So I am writing that line to solve the problem. Concentrate on this part because there are so many examples on this part, that along the direction parallel to the line, or along z axis, along x axis, along y axis, like that the questions are there to find value of ABC if the directional derivative is given. So we will take all such examples, but concentrate now to finding the directional derivatives along the line. So again del phi in my hand, so I can write del phi so that I can use it directly. Del phi is equal to 5I bar plus 4J bar plus 3K bar. Right, this is my first equation. I just write it down so that I have to use that. Now along the direction parallel to the line, we know that equation of line is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c, symmetrical equation of line. Or you may write x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 if you know the 2 points lies on the line. So here a, b, c are the DRS of normal line or normal to the plane, we can call in the concept of plane. So here ABC are the DRS. So we focus always whenever the line is there, finding the DRS of line. And from this DRS of line, we can write down our vector A bar as AI bar plus BJ bar plus CK bar. Keep in your mind, see carefully here, x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. If this is the line, then DRS ABC, we just take ai bar plus bj bar plus ck bar. Suppose here 2, 3, 4. These are the 3 DRS. Then I can write 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 4k bar. Correct? Now what are given in this line? What are the DRS given in this line? So see carefully, in the line 2 into x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to 3 into z plus 1. So I am writing the line 2 into x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to 3 into z plus 1. This is the line. So some people may say that there is nothing at the denominator, we can take 1, 1, 1. No. Just compare these two lines, x minus x1 upon a. Here 2 into x minus 1 means there is unity here. Here 2 is multiple, so 2 is extra. In the first one, no problem, y minus 2, y minus y1, no problem, it is 1. Then third one, 3 is extra. Correct? So here 2, 1, 3. These 3 numbers are there, so take its LCM. LCM of this number is 6. So divide by 6 to this line. So 2 into x minus 1 upon 6, y minus 2 upon 6, 3 into z plus 1 upon 6. So I get here x minus 1 upon 3, y minus 2 upon 6, z plus 1 upon 2. So I get 3 numbers at the denominator, 3, 6, 2, and I have to write ijk to this. So a bar is equal to 3i bar plus 6j bar plus 2k bar. Now mod of a bar is equal to under root of 9 plus 36 plus 4. So it is root 49. 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 9, 49. So our answer is 7. Now a bar upon mod of a bar, this is our a cap, is equal to 3i bar plus 6j bar plus 2k bar upon 7. Now complete your answer. dd is equal to del phi at point xyz dot a cap is equal to 5i bar, our first equation, 5i bar plus 4j bar plus 3k bar. So 5i bar plus 4j bar plus 3k bar dot with 3i bar plus 6j bar plus 2k bar divided by 7. So our answer is 5 into 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 3 into 2 upon 7. So just do the calculation. 5 into 3, 15 plus 24 plus 6 upon 7. So our answer is 45 upon 7. Hope you have understood it. We stop here. and in our next video we will see some more examples on directional derivative. Thanks for watching.